Now, I'd like to invite to the stage Tony Carter to give the keynote speech. Now, Tony received his Master of Engineering from the University of Canterbury and a Master of Philosophy degree from Loughborough University of Technology in the United Kingdom. Tony is a director for a number of companies, including Fletcher and Paykel Healthcare and Air New Zealand, where he is also the chairman. Now, he serves as director for Fletcher Building and ANZ Bank New Zealand and is a trustee for the Maurice Carter Charitable Trust.
Good evening, the Honourable Nick Smith, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honour to be able to be here tonight and celebrate with you. The theme is Celebrate Through Ingenuity. As an engineering student at Canterbury many years ago, the celebrate part was something that I seldom neglected. And judging by the media coverage of events like the Under 500, it's probably developed even a bit more since my day. Although I never practiced, the engineering discipline has been a wonderful asset for me throughout my career. I spent most of my career in retail, and one might wonder what a chemical engineering and being a grocer had in common. But it was a logical and disciplined way I was trained to think that helped me throughout my career. So I was genuinely honoured and delighted to be asked to speak tonight. Although I never practiced as an engineer, I'm now involved in 3 very engineering-rich companies. Air New Zealand has a very large engineering commitment to keep our planes safe. Fletcher Building, of course, has been and will continue to be involved in some of New Zealand's largest and most iconic engineering projects. And Fletcher and Paykel Healthcare is really an engineering technology company that is taking New Zealand innovation and medical devices to the world. So going back to the theme of Celebrate Through Ingenuity, let's focus on ingenuity. So I got out Google. Ingenuity is the quality of being clever, original and inventive, often implying on the process of applying ideas to solve problems or meet challenges. Ingenuity is the root Latin word for engineering. So tonight we're here to celebrate that inventiveness, that innovation. And I'm reminded of a quote from Charles Darwin. It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. In the struggle for survival, the fittest win out at the expense of their rivals because they succeed in adapting themselves best to their environment. When you think what Darwin said is that those that will survive and prosper are those that innovate and invent, those that find new and improved ways of doing things. And tonight we're going to have seen and will continue to see great examples of that. And when I think of the 3 engineering-related companies that I'm involved with, that's a common thread. They are all looking for new and different ways of doing things. Whether it's the Sky Couch innovation that Air New Zealand developed, Alice building the Waterview Tunnel, or a new medical application from Fletcher and Paykel Healthcare. And when I think back to my grocery days, the same thing was true. The successful suppliers to us were those who were constantly looking at new and better ways of meeting their customers' needs. One of the things I passionately believe in is diversity. It is an issue that companies and boards are putting a huge focus on. And it's not because it's trendy, it's because it does improve business performance. And if I can make one challenge to the engineering profession, it's for everyone here to embrace that concept. The pace of change over the past decade has been unbelievable. And bluntly, I often feel inadequate and ill-equipped to what my companies will need to do to be successful over the next few years. All I do know is that if we don't change and evolve, we certainly won't be here. So I'd like to congratulate all the finalists and all the winners tonight. Your dedication, your commitment to excellence and innovation is just what this country needs to be successful in that ever-evolving world. Thank you.